When it's time to upload your Assignment 1 executable and your Assignment 1 source code files, you must be logged into Angel. You must go to the Lessons tab. You click on the appropriate Dropbox. You read the directions. You type in your name as the title. You let the message area blank, and you click Attachments. Next, you ignore the prompt that executable files should be zipped. Do not do that, it messes me up. Click Browse. Click on your desktop. Find the Assignment 1 folder, the project folder that was created when you created the project in Visual C++. Double click on that assignment folder named A1. Double click on the inner A1 folder, and you should find the source code file identified with an icon that looks like this, a blue C++. If you're in the right mode for viewing files, you'll see that the Assignment 1 file says that it's of type C++ source. With that entry highlighted, click the Open button. Verify that the file is indeed named a1.cpp. Even though you didn't see the CPP file extension in the previous window, it shows up here, and click Upload File. Next, click Browse again. Go back to your desktop, double click the Assignment 1 project folder, and this time, instead of going into the A1 folder that's inside here, double click on the debug folder and find the icon that looks like this, a rectangle with a little green square inside. To the right, you'll see that this is an application file, and behind the scenes there is a .exe file extension, even if your computer doesn't show that file extension. With that entry highlighted, click Open. Verify that the file does have the name a1.exe in this window. Click Upload File again, and you've now queued up the two important files that I need to have uploaded to Angel. So at this point, click Finished, and then click Submit. Both of those files will be attached to this Dropbox submission. Only when you see this screen can you be sure that they've been submitted. At that point, you should be able to scroll down to see that your submission is listed down below. Your submission should be time-stamped with the time that you submitted it. If you want to verify that the files are there, click on your name. Scroll down to see that both files are listed there. When you click the a1.cpp file, the source code might be really ugly. This isn't really the assignment. This was just a sample. But sometimes the indentation is messed up. Disregard that. That's just the way it is. When you hand in the program on a hard copy printout, your source code should be lined up neatly from having printed it in Visual C++. The most important thing is that you can click on your exe entry here to actually run your program. By clicking there and using the browser Internet Explorer, you have a chance to click Save and Run. Click Allow, and eventually your program executes. You should see Hello World pop up in a black window. In this case, I'm running a program that does something else, even though it's named a1.exe. So my program just press any key to continue for this test illustration. Either way, you should be able to test your own program by running it by clicking on this a1.exe entry, because that's how I grade the programs. I simply log into Angel and I click each student's a1.exe to run the program. If you have any further questions, please get help from me as soon as you can, because you will be uploading projects throughout this course, and you'll lose lots of points if you don't know how to upload the correct files through the Angel Dropboxes.